Hey, it's Ben from Hooski.com. Been getting a lot of messages lately telling me that people don't only go on YouTube to look at cats getting scared of cucumbers, but they also go on there nowadays to take in information and to learn things. So, with that in mind, this is going to be the first of many mini mortgage tips that I'm giving you on behalf of Hooski.com. So, thought I'd start off with a nice simple one. 5 things to improve your chances of getting a mortgage that you can do straight away. So number 1, get on the electoral roll. Call the council, check if you're on the electoral roll. Some people call it the voters roll, and it doesn't mean that you need to vote, but if you have voted at your current address, then it probably means that you're already on there. But call the council, make sure you're on the electoral roll, because that is something that will improve your credit score straight away if you can get on there. Now, number 2, check your credit score. So you can go on nodl.com, which is a completely free way to check your credit score, or you can go on experian.com or equifax.com, where you can set up 30-day free trials. You do have to put in card details, but if you set up the free trials there, then you can at least check your credit score, cancel your account before you get to the end of the 30 days. Now, if you go on there, check your credit score, check if you've got any missed payments, and then there'll be no surprises when you put in a mortgage application. So, at least once you've got that, if you know your credit score, you know whether you need to improve it or not. Number 3, one way to improve it is to get a credit card, as long as you pay it on time. So, I'm not talking about maxing out 5-10 grand on a credit card. This is just something that what I do is I put on my petrol each month, set up a direct debit with my bank to pay the exact mortgage balance that is left on the credit card at the end of each month to make sure, even if I forget, I don't miss any payments. So then if you've got a credit card and you're paying it off each month, the bank can at least see that you are able to pay credit on time. So that is another way of, over a little bit of time, in improving your credit score and increasing your chances of getting an accepted mortgage. Number 4, don't just go to your bank straight away and only take the advice that they give you. Basically, let's take an example. If you're with NatWest and you go to NatWest, they can only offer you NatWest deals. Therefore, if NatWest don't fit your scenario and something you're wanting to do is a little bit quirky and it doesn't fit their criteria, they're going to tell you no, you can't get a mortgage, and then you're going to be lost thinking, can I get a mortgage at all? So, if you seek independent advice, either with an advisor or online, then they can at least tell you straight away who the best bank's going to be, whether it's going to fit their criteria. It might be NatWest in the end, and you might end up going with them anyway. Number 5. Lastly, something you can do straight away, find out how much you can borrow. And the best way of doing that straight away is going on www.hooski.com, that's HOOSKI.com, and check how much you can borrow. It takes about 5 minutes. You put in some brief details, gives you a rough idea of how much you can borrow, what sort of deals are available, and you can take it from there. Thanks. See you soon.